Zahar sahar ubaskam. I drink water every morning. I drink water every morning. Nan ubadiri yakhidi. The water is very cooled today. The water is very cooled today. Aya tamala ubara kawleshi. Can you give me some water? Can you give me some water? The sinuba dere pakidi. The river water is very clean. The river water is very clean. هغه د ورزش نه وروسته ډېرې زیاتې اوبه وڅښلې. He drank a lot of water after the workout. He drank a lot of water after the workout. هغه لوښي په اوبو سره اینځي. She is washing the dishes with water. She is washing the dishes with water. هر ورځ بوټو له اوبه ورکوه. Water the plants every day. Water the plants every day. زه د اوبو نه بغیر ژوند نشم تیرولی. I can't live without water. I can't live without water. The swimming pool اوبه ګرمې دي. The water of the swimming pool is warm. The water of the swimming pool is warm. زما یو ګلاس اوبه پکار دي. I need a glass of water. I need a glass of water. هغې په اوبو کې مالګه واچوله. She added salt to the water. She added salt to the water. هغه په اوبو باندې خپل لاسونه وینځل. He washed his hands with water. He washed his hands with water. زما په پاک اوبو کې لمبا خوښه ده. I like to swim in clear water. I like to swim in clear water. میان په اوبو کې لمبا کوي. The fish swim in the water. The fish swim in the water. زما بوتل د اوبو نه ډک دی. My bottle is filled with water. My bottle is filled with water. هغې په فرش باندې اوبه توی کړې. She spilled water on the floor. She spilled water on the floor. ماشومان په اوبو کې لوبې کوي. The children are playing in the water. The children are playing in the water. هغه ګاډی په اوبو باندې وینځه. He washed the car with water. He washed the car with water.